Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you've been seeing these somewhat real AI images, so I'm going to show you how to create it. You'll have to download Bing from Google Play Store if you don't have it. And you download it, it will open like this. Click on Image Creator. When you click on this Image Creator, then you type in your prompt. Your prompt is the description of the character. So you are entitled to 5 coins and all of that. Because I've used this before, I have to, if I click on creations, it's going to bring me to all those images I created before. But when you go to explore ideas, then you now type in your prompt. So your prompt is like a description of your character, that image you want them to bring out. What do you want? Describe it. Like you can give as many features of the particular image you want generated for you as possible. The more prompts you type in, the more specific your image comes at. If not, they'll just give you what they think that you want. So for me now, I'm going to type in a black girl wearing denim teaching other tech enthusiasts in a tech conference. Then click on create to take a few minutes to create. Then notice that our coins have moved from 15 to 14. Before it was 15 before, but now it's 14. So while the image is generated, we have it now. So I'll just click on them and open it to check if this is really what I wanted. I think this is cool, but I have a black teacher and all white students, so I may need to retype my prompt and also add the kind of audience that I want the tech enthusiast to be teaching. So, but for you, if this is okay for you, you just can go ahead and click on the 3 dots beside the image there, and you'll be able to download it to your phone. You'll see it on your gallery saved. So it's as simple as that. Why I like this over some other AI images is because it looks so real. Like so many people are using it. It looks so real. So you can check it out and tell me what you think. Did you get any value in this video? And then drop a comment and share. So I'm also going to teach you how to open an Outlook account, because if you don't have Outlook account, you'll not be able to log into Bing. So open your Play Store, type Outlook on the search bar, then you see this Microsoft Outlook. Then when you see the Microsoft Outlook, click on install to install it. Once you install it, click on open. If you open it, it's going to take you straight to as if it's an email account you already have. So click on create new account or click on add account if you already have an Outlook account. So I'm going to click on create new account. Once I click on create new account, it's going to ask me to type the name of the email I want, like maybe blessingbonyi@outlook.com or whatever name you want. If it's a name that is already taken, they will not allow the day that it's taken. So I'm going to just type my full name and that's create this account. I already have an Outlook account. This is just for the purpose of this tutorial, so I will not be using this account so that you don't want to send me an email. Click on next. Once you are done, you generate a password. When generating password, try and generate a strong password that is not easy to guess. So click on next. Once you've done that, you generated your password, click on next. When you click on next, you type your first name and your last name, and you also click on next. All this information are important for them, because sometimes if you don't load all this information, they will not allow you to do what you're doing. So put in your date of birth and click on next. Now this is to verify that you are not a robot. So you just have to use the arrows to point the image towards the direction of the hand. Once it matches, then they will allow you to continue. I made some mistake then, but I see later got it. It was just with this image. I didn't know which was the front or the back. So that was why I made the mistake. But I was able to get it with this image and verification is complete. Then you can continue. Your account is already created now. So just accept their privacy policy. And once you do that, you have your account. You can go to your account and add other things like your phone number, your image, and all of that. So I'll just click on maybe later because I am just creating a new account. I don't want my former account to be logged into this. So accept their privacy and click on continue to Outlook. So your Outlook account is generated. If you want notification, you can turn it on. If you don't want, so I'll just go over. This is the mail, this is the calendar in case you want to add them task and all. This is your feed. Then this is more. There are other things you can do. You can even use voice notes and email. So you see why we created this account is that if you're not logged in, you can see that I'm logged in. That's why I'm able to generate images. So this step here is also trying to show you type with other prompts, like the other images I created, the prompts I used to create them, and I created like 2 different images. This one is a girl, the girl that is wearing jeans with her smartphone. I mean, that loves her smartphone. So let's type in the prompt and create it. So you can type in any font. So if you are not sure where to get your images from, maybe your social media, you can always use this, and can always also put a disclaimer so that people know that this image is AI generated, and to be useful to put out that disclaimer so that people will not think that their life is finished when people are shining, not knowing that all those things are AI images. They will go and be, killing themselves, trying to look like that. So, a black girl that loves her smartphone, because my channel is my smartphone, I'm going to generate something in that line. So when I generate it, you also see what they've given me. So it's so cool. You can see the images I got from this. So I want to know from you, have you used what is it called? Do you use Bing? Do you use this Microsoft AI image generator, or do you not use it? Are you still using Remini? I think I have a video here where I taught on how to use Remini. Are you still using Remini, or have you switched over to this? There are so many AI image generating apps right now on the internet. So I'm not really a freak of AI images. I enjoy generating them and teaching people how to do them, and but I'm not really a freak, meaning that like it doesn't. I'm not intoxicated with it because most of my content on smartphone. I don't always use this to generate them. So, but if you are the type that shares blog content and all, this might be useful for you. It might really be useful for you for your work, and there's nothing wrong with generating AI images and using them to pass the correct information that your post is trying to pass. So one thing I want you to know is that if you're able to master the prompt, like if you're able to master inputting the correct prompt, you are going to generate cool images, because whatever it's serving you is what you served it. It's just like it's a computer now. Garbage in, garbage out. What you give me is what I give you back. So you are going to see this in the next image I'm going to create. I just created during that was last year, December 26, 2023. So I just typed in a happy boy unboxing again. That's unboxing day, right? So when I created it, just gave me this cartoon-like image. Understand? Because I just typed in a very simple prompt. So they just gave me what they felt was correct for me. The same thing with so many of us. You just type in anything and you expect the image to give you all that. So when I changed it to a happy black boy unboxing gifts, I got something better. So you have to be more specific. Learn your prompt. If I'm your friend and you want to describe me, how will you describe me? That's how you are going to type in your prompt. So I hope this helps, and I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. Please support my work by inviting your friends to, subscribe to this channel. Also sharing these videos to them might help them, use their smartphone much more better. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.